Va bene?
I remember watching my grandma making pasta on a Sunday for the whole family. Her strong hands kneading the flour, the smell of fresh tomato combined with garlic, the grated salted ricotta. Delicious. This is why I want to teach you how you can make pasta at home just by using your hands. Now traveling is not accessible to everyone, and this is why I designed this course, so that you can make pasta wherever you are. Pasta shapes such as malloredus, bussiate, sagne, maccheroni, campunti, and so much more. I want to take you on a journey to understand the difference of the flours that you are using, how to organize your pasta station, how you can pair your beautiful pasta shapes with the southern Italian flavors in as little as 10 days. Welcome to my pasta studio.